Breaking news coming in. Delhi High Court has directed RTI activist Saket Gokhale to delete all the tweets against former diplomat Lakshmi Puri. Lakshmi Puri is the wife of Union Minister Hardeep Singh Puri. High Court has restricted Gokhale from posting any further defamatory tweets against Puri. In case Gokhale fails to remove tweets in 24 hours itself, Twitter is directed to remove the tweets. The defamation case filed by Puri to be heard now in September. The removal of tweets is an interim order for the moment. Anisha is now joining us for the latest. Anisha, the removal of the tweet just seems to be an interim order for the moment, and the hearing is going to continue in September. What really happened there?
Well, Chaiti, this entire petition filed by Lakshmi Puri has raised the allegation that activist Saket Gokhale had raised false and defamatory information in the tweets that had been published earlier just last month. Now, the Delhi High Court, as an interim measure, has asked Saket Gokhale to remove those tweets and to refrain from publishing any similar tweets for the time being. The court has also said that the defamation case that has been filed by Lakshmi Puri will be heard pardon me, in September. But at the moment, since prima facie the court has found that the content of those tweets seems to be something that would would raise questions, because the tweets have raised questions regarding certain property owned by Lakshmi Puri, that it has raised questions regarding the source of the income and source of the money used to purchase these properties outside of India. That is why the court has said that at the moment these tweets must be removed within 24 hours, and if Gokhale does not do so, then Twitter, as the intermediary, has been directed to remove the offensive content. But as far as the defamation case itself is concerned, that matter will be heard later. Time has been given to Saket Gokhale and Twitter to file their responses. Back to you.
Hearing is going to take place in September, and for now, an interim order has been passed by the Delhi High Court.